So, first of all, very good morning to all energetic people watching this video. Today, myself Mami Changir and now we are here to represent an amazing debate. So, the topic name of debate is should we organize election in school or not? And the boys are in the favor of we should organize election in school.
So first of all, I would like to pay my honest gratitude to respected Subhas and my dear friends to provide me such a fantastic opportunity to have me here today. So now we are doing a debate which name is should we organize elections in school or not. So we are in the favor of we shouldn't organize elections in school.
So, I think we should organize election in school because there are so many advantages of organizing election in school. So, I wanna take the first example that if you are going in the political field, then it will help you so much.
But because of the elections, the other student can't read. Because of the one candidate, the other student can't read. The candidate will tell to anyone all that give me vote. So that's why the election is not good for the students. According to me, we should organize the election in school because there is very much reasons behind it. According to me, if we organize the election in school, so we will do very much enjoyment and we will learn very much from the elections. If we go in 80s, we will be 18 years old, so we will know that how to give vote, whom to give vote. That's okay with that. But Aditya, did you think about that? If we are doing the elections, so the candidates are only 14 and 13 years old. So their age is not like a candidate. But see that what they are learning from the elections. Yeah, but you also know that in the elections they are doing very much corruption. So what about it? Where anyone is doing. Just suppose someone is doing corruptions and he is beating someone for voting. Who is beating for what? Just suppose. Why suppose? Anyone is not beating, so why we suppose that? Why just we suppose negative? Just suppose if anyone is meeting to students and the student he is saying that give me vote and the student is saying that I will not give you vote. So whom said that? Whom said that? Give me example first. In our elections, Anil said it. Where said? I don't know. I knew it because the student complained me that Anil Bhaiya is beating me. I didn't know that Anil beat anyone, or I didn't see. Yeah, you didn't. Yeah, you didn't see, but I see. That's why I'm saying you. I saw.
So, you are telling about beating. So, I think the students of AVM school, the students of AVM school are not mad because the students can tell to sir.
But the students hesitating to search, so they can tell to the girls and the boys.
So why are we organizing the election in school? The leaders will tell to sir, the adhyaks or upadhyaks or sachiv will tell to sir. That's why we are organizing the election in school because the students are hesitating to say to sir.
But the candidate are also hesitating to saying to sir.
How can you say that? Why are we organizing the election in school?
So the election is not good for the students.
Who is hesitating? Sumit is not hesitating. Anamika is not hesitating to fine any student.
So Anamika is Kosadix. She is doing her work, but you can take the example of Ayan Khan. He is not doing our work of any post.
How can you say that? He is doing so much works in the post. And he is not hesitating because he has the support. He has the support of the children's.
I know that he have the support of childrens, but he is abusing any words, wrong words, and he is speaking Marwadi.
You are telling about Ayan Khan. So you know Ayan Khan is maintaining the lines after school. So it is a very big work.
What do you want to say? He is abusing, so this is right.
Who is abusing?
Ayan Khan is abusing, and I'm Kosadik, so I know I did.
He is not. So you are doing fine.
Yeah, I finds Ayan
You
Khan.
can say to sir,
He has 50 rupees fine. And
But-
he is not giving fine
but-
also. He's Sachiv, I know.
but this is not reason that he is Sachiv. That's why he is abusing words.
That's why I'm saying
And
that.
this is not the topic.
What? I'm only saying that Sachiv is not doing his work. He is speaking Marwari. He have to speak English. That's why I'm saying that elections is not good in a school.
Why the election is not good? Because the students are, I think the students know that how to do election, how to go in political field because of the election in the school.
How can you say that in the elections they are doing corruption? By this corruption, their future will be disturbed also.
They are not doing corruption. Who's doing corruption? There are so many teachers, and I think in the bigger election there are police and there is the security guards, so they can't do corruption.
But in the school they are doing corruption.
They are not doing corruption. So why is there, sir?
You suppose that you are winner. No.
So I told you that it will help us in political field. So for the better explanation, I want to give the example of Mr. Mukesh Bakar. So you know he is the MLA of our Ladnu, and he was the Adhyaks in Shekawati school. That's why he got the knowledge, and he is the MLA now.
But I know that the Mukesh Bhagar is MLA of our. So in this Mukesh Bhagar school, no have any no have any candidate of Mukesh Bhagar.
But from election, we learn very much things. We learn that how we give the vote. If you are 18 years old and you are going to giving vote, so you learn that whom we give the vote and how we give the vote.
I think that in the school we give vote in cheats, but in elections there is a voter machine. So how can we learn to vote?
But first, the government
Give vote.
learn us that how we do vote. He go.
No,
he-
you are saying about that we can learn school in how can we give vote. So
But if any there is a vote of sarpanch, so the if he is coming to saying any, so he come and he saw the paper. There is a chin in the there is paper. If he says that you gave them me vote, so there is the chin of the sarpanch. So we have to give then.
but Anamika said that in the in the votes in the elections there in the government elections we have the vote machine, and in the school we didn't have any.
So what is the problem by voter machine?
In the voter machine there is no any cheats.
So can you not learn after being young?
He is saying about we can
But
learn
this is-
we can learn how can we vote, how can we give vote.
What?
That's how I am saying that we cannot learn in school that how can we give vote.
But you can learn the choosing good candidate in election.
Yeah, you are right, but I'm not saying about it.
I am saying about it.
Yeah, you are saying right, absolutely right.
Then, so this is the benefit of organizing election in school.
But I think that in the school elections are not good because of you can see if someone is winning, so he can be overconfidence.
Who is being overconfident? Tell me.
This is not the
Anyone
question.
is-
See, if he will be overconfidence and
So, can't he do? Can't he develop the school?
no, how
Then
can
how-
how can
how
he
will he do?
how can he develop the school?
Of course
Just
he-
tell me.
Of course, he can. He can listen the voice. He can listen the hesitation of students, and he can tell to sir.
Okay,
And of
just
course-
tell me one work of our candidates they do for students.
This is taking fine and giving to sir, and by this fine, the sir is bringing the sports things for us. So this is benefit, I think.
Yeah, this is benefits, but just suppose Cosadex is taking fine and she didn't giving to sir, then
So sir can take.
Second
So,
take, but
you
just
are-
suppose
you are
Kosa
telling-
Dex has 100 rupees fine and she give only 50 rupees fine. She took 50 rupees. Then
it's not matter.
that is corruption.
There is no sense of.
That's
I can tell you, if you are taking 50 rupees fine by Sumit and you are giving only 30 to sir, then can't he ask to sir? Can't he tell to sir?
why will
Can't sir
why
ask
he
to
will ask
Sumit that
to sir?
how much money did you give to Anamika?
Why he will ask to sir? He support. He also support me. That is why he is not asking to sir.
But this is
He has-
not on big level, okay?
He has believe on Kosa Dex.
Okay, I think we should do election in the school. Thank you.
So thank you for watching our amazing debate, and you was the great audience of this day. Thank you so much.